Fire Island. It's July 2022 and we are walking towards downtown Cherry Grove. There's the dock where the Cherry Grove ferries arrive, and you can see Long Island, New York in the distance. Just east of downtown, this artist always has a little display going on in this alley. There are paintings for sale, and this year there are rocks that we can actually afford. Oh, so nice. And we even got to talk to the artist. He's a really nice guy. It's wonderful. As we head towards the Pines, you might notice the weather changes abruptly from time to time. That's because these videos were shot over a couple of different days. I'm actually staying in Sable, the town on Long Island just north of Fire Island. We take the ferry back and forth a couple of times during the week here. This will be a quick look at the area and a walk down to the Pines, and there will be some links in the description to my older videos that are much longer and more detailed if you're looking for a real tour of Cherry Grove and the Pines. The storms keep rearranging the coastline, so the paths between Cherry Grove and the Pines keep shifting and changing, but basically just kind of stay towards the coast and keep heading east and you'll get there. One tricky part, going to the Pines, you're going to come out with this big wide open, hook a left, and then stay more or less to the right. That's a dead end. We're going this way. And from here you'll have no trouble at all. And now we're in the Pines, back on the boardwalks. Drive it standing up. Back at one of the hotels in the Pines. Very quiet on a Wednesday. Yeah. Balcony. Tents and things for one of these big beach party celebrations. And just regular people all over the beach. But at some point there'll be some giant, probably night party. That's what they're setting up for over there. There's a few different parties throughout the season at the water. And a big pool party right at the beach. Gotta love it. Back at the harbor, a couple minutes from the ocean. All right, we're on the boat back to Sable. Thanks for coming with us, and if you're looking for a longer, more detailed tour, be sure to check the description below. See you next time.